Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is playing a recording, which is a voice note from someone who supports her, who was talking about, people that they believed weren't real with her. So she's playing that voice note for y'all. So go ahead and listen to what she has to say and what the voice note has to say. Draw your own observation from this. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And thank you so much for making it the mix in this new year 2020. And remember, as I said before, positivity is the way to go.
You guys can hear this because, and you know what, I'm gonna use it and make a reel that way everybody will hear. Justice for Bella. Try remember, justice for Bella. This is not a talk show. This is justice for Bella. Unless you're gonna come on and tell me you're gonna donate such amount of money to Bella, then maybe put you on find it. But justice for Bella. Justice for Bella. Okay?
You see, if you ever ask me something, God is my witness. I will always be truthful to you. Whatever you ask me, as long as it's nothing to do with my personal life. You see, some of them people on your page, they're not righteous. I don't know how long you know that woman for a cartoon, whoever she is. But I think she's from the other side. Because her five's what she gave me that day there, yeah? I see the other woman intervene. It was like God sent.
This man, yeah, is a double crosser. Lorraine is not a good person. Not a good person. Lorraine chat him, in chat everybody, in chat cartoon, in chat Michelle, in chat Bob. Lorraine chat Michelle, Lorraine chat Lorraine. Mrs. Mitchell, she chat everybody. In chat everybody. You don't hear what I got on here?
Because if you didn't call me to come up, yeah, you called me a couple of times, I wasn't going to come up. I only come up because of you. But that woman who was fishing, I wasn't feeling her. She coming like she's had something from the big woman herself, why she wants to know about these t-shirts. Why am I sending messages? It was like she was watching me. They want to know what I'm about. Trust me, sis, keep an eye on cartoons. Whoever that other woman is, yeah?
Michelle.
She's a warrior.
Michelle.
Because she was like she was sent to block cartoon. And she shut down cartoon and cartoon stopped speaking. Let's keep an eye on them, sis.
Somebody who called.
Don't make none of them run your page. Yeah, because some of them are telling people to go to make up their own page and come to their page. No one ain't going to Michelle's page. That's why she's on your page, sis.
Nobody's not going to
Michelle's
Michelle's
people ain't going to go to other people's page and
What
try
a
and build up
bitch.
their own page. They're going to come to your page. Be careful of these people. Don't make them overrule your page. No time at all. It's your page.
Mirror, that's what JJ Wainwhile. JJ, why you have your cocky there fling all over YouTube and Facebook? JJ, what is wrong with you? JJ, you don't know say the wrong person they come. Me a mix up. JJ, me a mix up. Me a mix up and blend up JJ. JJ, no make the face fool you. No make the face fool you. Me say JJ, no make the face fool
If you
you.
click your finger and tell them to stop. Big sis.
Big
See
sis.
me, I'll never lie to you. See, if you ever ask me something, God is my witness. I will always be truthful to you. Whatever you ask me. As long as it's nothing to do with my personal life. You see some of them people on your page, they're not righteous. I don't know how long you know that woman for a cartoon, whoever she is. But I think she's from the other side. Because her five's what she gave me that day there, yeah? I see the other woman intervene. It was like God sent her. Because...
Listen, I'm gonna pin the cash up one more time. Don't want to hear more? Me they go pin the cash up. Justice for Bella. That's all I'm asking. On the Facebook page, will somebody pin this for me so I could pin it, because I don't see where to write that damn thing. It's 813-296-4184. And that's the Cash App and that's the Zelle, Maxine Anderson. If somebody do it, then I could pin it. Justice for Bella. I already got the $50 already. I don't see nothing come up on the screen, but that's fine. Might be this one is on me. Good evening. Good evening, Miss Gloria. You missed the nice little voice note them. With the whole of them, they chat them one another. The whole of them, they go down pan them one another. You say you, Lorraine. You say you, Lorraine. What make you can't chat so, Lorraine? Lorraine, what make you can't chat so? And Lorraine, you tape everything, but I saw you, they tape people, and some people, they tape you. And what wrong with you now? Me want to know left out of my inbox. Me want to know left half of my name. Me see I go and drop out on no belly button pan you, no not go believe it. 813-296-418. Yes, that's it, Maxine Anderson. And that's the Zelle and that's the Cash App. All right, let me pin it. There you go. Right, see me pin it there. See me pin it there. And for those of you who cannot give any money, just put the thumbs up. Just put the thumbs up. That's fine. Where are you? Begging for money. Hang on there. David Connor, why are you begging for money? David Connor, may have some stuff sending to Jamaica for people who can't afford it. Like a big old box of 25 pound of rice, oatmeal, flour, sugar, oil, and all of those. And this is the things that they need down there. I need to give 10 family members, David. I need to give 10 family members. So if you could help me out, David, with the Cash App and the Zelle, and even with the Super Chat, if you come over on my YouTube page, you can help out. David, don't let me have to salt you tonight. Oh, David, don't let me have to salt you tonight. Guys, if you need to help out a situation, go ahead and feel free to do so. Your hand is not tied to do it. Okay? It's not. When me look and see the hypocrite them on the social media, and for them Cash App and Zelle first the pin. Yes, David. For them just asking. Oh yes, I'm telling you. That's why I'm telling you. There's a lot of people in Jamaica that can't afford, even in America here. Because I go to Fort Lauderdale and give out a lot, but I don't have to say I do. You understand? And David, I'm fighting justice for my granddaughter. Ashanti over there, the child molester, over there playing a 1-year-old tape saying her ABC and stuff like that. You understand? Over there playing it and kicking off on himself. So I'm fighting justice. Yes, I'm fighting.